Hi, this is Dr. Bill Schenck, chiropractor and wellness expert here at Vizuri Health Center. I want to ask you a question. Do you have vibrant health? Do you have really solid health? Do you have vibrancy, lots of energy, lots of capacity to do things? Or are you like most Americans where you sort of suffer through the day? That you have all these different aches and pains or conditions, and maybe you've gone to the doctor for, and he or she has prescribed medication and might feel a little bit better, but it really never addresses the underlying cause of the problem. You see, we know now that there's three fundamental causes of health disease, of bad signaling in your body. And one of them is how our gut responds to food, or the food that you eat, and how it destroys your health. We have a program here that helps people restore their health by fixing their gut. Let me describe what that is. The first stage of it is called Seal and Heal, and there's three phases of it. The Seal and Heal part of the program helps to then close up the gaps in the leaky gut. Let me take a step back and explain what leaky gut is. Normally our intestine has a barrier that doesn't allow things in, except for things that are supposed to get in, like water and nutrients. But if we eat a diet that's inflammatory, a diet that's full of chemicals, a diet that has glyphosate in it, for instance, our gut starts to get inflamed. And as it gets inflamed, then the spaces between the cells get leaky, and things pass into our bloodstream that don't belong there. That's called a leaky gut. When that happens, the immune system gets affected. The immune system can target your own organs because it gets confused thinking that your organs actually look a lot like the invading bacteria. And you end up with an autoimmune problem. Well, there's now over 200 named autoimmune diseases. When I was in school many years ago, there was only 8 or 10 named diseases. Now, every month a new one comes out. But you can't have an autoimmune disease without a leaky gut. And it manifests in a variety of ways in the body. How do we fix this? First step is we have to seal and heal the GI tract. And that's done with nutrients and foods, and we have to take out the foods that cause inflammation, but it's quite possible to do that. So the first step of doing that is seal and heal the gut. And it's really neat when people begin to experience health when they take those toxins out of the body and help to seal up the gut. Their energy comes back and they begin to feel better. And more importantly, they get hope that they can get better and they get their health back. So this is Dr. Bill Schenck. Next videos we'll be talking about the 2 next steps in healing the gut. Look forward to seeing you then.